Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make a tasty, fancy and healthy salad. First thing we're gonna need lettuce, steamed potatoes and green beans, boiled eggs, cucumber, tomatoes, olive oil, lemon, mayonnaise, mustard, black olives, milk, tuna, cilantro, salt and pepper. First, we put the steamed potatoes and green beans in the middle. Make sure you add salt and pepper before cooking them. We put the tomatoes and cucumber in the sides. You can decorate the way you want. I'm sure it will look good. Then, tuna, eggs, and black olives. Last step is the salad dressing. First thing we're gonna need 2 big full spoons of mayonnaise, 1 big full spoon of lemon, 1 small spoon of mustard, olive oil, salt and pepper. Remember, if the sauce is too thick, add some milk. And try to mix it very well. This is my favorite salad. Very colorful, healthy and yummy. And it looks good too. Pour some of the salad dressing in the top and keep the rest aside in case you want to add more. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye.